Welcome to Pre-K with Kristen, where we learn, play, and grow together. Do you know how a butterfly grows? Let's do a fun craft to learn all about the butterfly life cycle. It's gonna be so much fun. Come on, let's go. Today we're gonna make the butterfly life cycle, which is how a butterfly grows. So if you have your Pre-K with Kristen learning box, you'll have all of these materials inside. But if you don't, that's okay. You can use what you have at home. Let's start with eggs. Can you say eggs? Eggs. We're going to use beans for our eggs. Let's count how many beans we have. 1, 2, 3. Great counting. Butterflies lay their eggs on leaves. So we are going to use a leaf and glue it on our paper and then glue the eggs on top. If you don't have a leaf cut out, you can go outside and find a leaf. So in the first box, we're going to glue down our leaf. Glue down our leaf, and then we're going to glue the eggs on top. We have 3 eggs, so we need 3 dots of glue. 1, 2, 3. And if you don't have beans, you can use a crayon and draw your eggs. 1, 2, 3. The first stage of a butterfly life cycle is eggs. Next, the eggs hatch and turn into a caterpillar. Can you use your finger and crawl it up your arm like a caterpillar? Crawl, crawl, crawl. Crawl, little caterpillar, up my arm. Crawl, crawl, crawl. That tickles. Caterpillars like to stay on leaves because they eat the leaves to grow big and strong. So we're going to use another leaf. And again, if you don't have a leaf cut out, you can go outside and find a leaf in your yard. We're going to glue our leaf on our paper. And we're going to use a piece of pasta to pretend it's our caterpillar. You can use pasta from your learning box, or if you don't have pasta, you can use a pipe cleaner, or you can even draw with a crayon or a marker. So let's put some glue on our leaf and glue down our caterpillar. So the caterpillar is the second stage of the butterfly life cycle. After the caterpillar eats lots and lots of leaves and gets nice and full, it builds a chrysalis. Caterpillars will build their chrysalis from a stick. So you can find a stick in your yard, or you can use a crayon to draw a stick. If you have your learning box, a stick will be in your bag for this activity. So let's put some glue on our paper and glue down our stick. It's going to be like a branch from the tree. And then we have this piece of pasta, which is going to be our chrysalis. A chrysalis can also be called a cocoon. Can you say chrysalis? Chrysalis. Very good. The caterpillar goes inside the chrysalis and builds the chrysalis around itself so it can change. It's got to be very quiet. Can you say shh? The caterpillar builds its chrysalis and stays very, very still. Let's glue our pasta just below our stick, like it's hanging onto the stick. And again, if you don't have pasta from your learning bag, you can draw it on with a crayon or marker. After the caterpillar is inside the chrysalis and stays nice and still, some big changes happen. And our caterpillar turns from a caterpillar into a beautiful butterfly. We're going to use pasta to make our butterfly for our last stage of our life cycle. Let's make our hands pretend like they're a butterfly. Cross your thumbs like this and flap your wings. Can you do that? Flap, 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 little butterfly. Fly, fly. Fly, fly, little butterfly. Can you do that? Cross your thumbs and make a butterfly. Great job. Now, we're gonna glue our butterfly in our last square of our paper. So put some glue on your paper. And again, if you don't have butterfly pasta, you can either draw a butterfly with crayons or markers, or you can even cut one out of a picture of a magazine. Now we've finished our life cycle of a butterfly. Let's go through the life cycle again together. We have the first stage of the life cycle is the eggs. The second stage of the butterfly life cycle is the caterpillar. The third stage of the butterfly life cycle is the chrysalis. And the last stage, our caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly. Let's say it together one more time. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Great job, friends. This is just one activity from our Butterfly Week from our learning box. On Saturday, we're going to learn so much more about butterflies. We're going to have songs and games and more activities. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you can come back on Saturday and learn all about butterflies with us. It was so fun to see you here at Pre-K with Kristen, where learning is always fun. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye!